Are you facing any kind of difficulty while decluttering your home? Hi, I'm Rutu Amaliyar, mother of 6-year-old son and wife of a very supportive husband, interior designer from last 15 years, and now I'm on mission to help more than 100,000 women to beautify their home with simple concepts of interior designing. So just stay with me till the end and I'm going to reveal some secrets with you, and you will also be entitled to get a free gift from my side. So just stay with me till the end. And before getting ahead, I want to share some quick story of mine with you. From last 10 years, I was suffering in this field of decluttering the home. I try multiple things. I try YouTube videos. I try templates also. Despite of being in the field of interior designing, I had that problem. But just before 6 months, I attended different kind of trainings, some kind of business training, some kind of personal development trainings, some kind of healing trainings, different kind of trainings. And from one of that training, my mentor just shared one thing, and that really blown my mind. The one thing that he just told, that whenever you want to do something big in your life or you want to achieve something, like you have different kind of goals, you just need to start a journey from looking inside in your mind, like what is going in your mind, what is going in your mental space. We need to recognize everything, like emotions, what are the mindsets we are holding. And after that, the second thing we need to look around your physical space, like what is there in my physical space determines what is going through in my mind. So the outer space is clearly the reflection of my inner space and vice versa. So that was the new concept for me, and I just applied that. And I applied on a very small scale, not on a huge scale, but it literally started to give me different kind of results. So that was the amazing thing. So the first thing we need to check is what's going in our mind, what is going in our mental space. Like, in some cases, you must have experienced this, that you are not feeling good about anything, or you are in some kind of emotional stress, or maybe relationship issue are there. And in that situation, you don't want to even eat, or you don't want to even get up and do the things or do the household chores. So this is the just quick mind check you can do with yourself, that your mind literally reflects what is going outside, and outside space also reflects what is going in your mind. The second thing was also a shocking truth for me. Decluttering is, it seems very difficult, or maybe exhausting process, or maybe very emotional disturbance, because it is also associated with scarcity money mindset. In some cases, it is actually hidden inside us. For example, in some cases, for some stuff you are not ready to get rid of, you might be having unconscious feeling about that thing, that I don't know if I will just give away or throw the things or discard the thing, and in future if I want it again, would I be able to purchase those things. That is the one thing that we all can have. The second thing is a reverse psychology. In many areas, even research has also proven this, in many areas, when we have scarcity mindset, we tend to accumulate things over stuff, right? And the feeling behind that is lack of money, and it is essential to recognize that. So in some cases, women, when women are in stress, they just go for shopping, not because they want those things, but because it is associated with a feel good hormone also. So that is the thing. So whenever we try to declutter our space and we feel anything, like we are not feeling emotionally charged up, or we are not feeling comfortable with getting rid of the things, we just need to check this thing also. And believe me, when I started to declutter with this concept on a small scale, it really changed the way I look inside me. It changed the way I look around my space, as well as now I am feeling so much confident to receive the abundance, because not only stuff you are accumulating, behind those stuff there are multiple kind of emotions or multiple kind of trauma we are having associated with those stuff. So it is very essential to start this journey. So this is not that common thing that you can find on internet or whatever. It is the personal experience I wanted to share with you. And it is not just like, step 1, make the thing a list, and step 2, follow this template like kind of thing. This is a deeper thing that I experienced. I got proven result, and that's why I decided to share with you, to follow the steps, like how to start the decluttering, or what are the other areas, what are the other reasons, what are the system to follow. Just stay with me. I will be covering all those in my upcoming videos. And if you are facing any kind of difficulty, if you are facing any kind of confusion while decluttering or while decorating your home, just feel free to comment below, and I would be more happy if you comment your personal experience while listening to this video. I am sure that on one of those points you must be telling to yourself, yeah, this is true, I have also experienced that. So just comment below, so that any woman who will be watching this video, she will get the emotional support, and she will feel that she is not alone in this world. Many of us are going through on the same boat. So just feel free to comment, and in the description box you will find a link of my free PDF guide, free PDF tool of self-assessment. Just click on that, and I'm sure you will get a different kind of insight from them. And for only first 50 people, for first 50 women, let me be sure, I am giving away free one-to-one clarity call with me of 30 minutes, and it will be of rupees 3,999 after the 50 slots, because I am launching my new course, because I am developing my community. So it is still available. You can grab the opportunity and just register yourself. So, and if you want any kind of points that I should cover on a different video, my upcoming video, please share your suggestions also. I will be looking ahead, and I am excited to see you on one-on-one. So till then, bye bye.